steering wheel. So a little wander, but nothing too terrible for a lifted pickup with oversized tires. It goes down the road pretty straight. And we got a pretty good, we got about 15-mile-an-hour east wind, but nice tight cab. So not a lot of wind noise in here at all. And we'll run it up to another mile here, and then I'll take off so you can see how it shifts through the gears. Then I also have videos on a walk around and running and the accessories. So this one just kind of gave me an idea how it drives. Like I said, little east wind, so I got a steering wheel tilted a little bit, but I think it appears that it's pretty straight. I think on our check over it says the temperature gauge does not work currently. So we'll get that looked at. And then I think the reverse lights, they said, are in off. So and then we'll show you everything on inside here, what works and what doesn't on our running video. So, but nice driving truck and good looking truck. Got a nice color combination. Local one here in South Dakota. The guy I got it from, he'd had it 4 or 5 years. Brakes work good. Got new style mirrors on it so you can see good out of them. The little factory ones these have are hard to see anything out of back from the old 70s. We'll take off here and let you go through the shift points. Good solid shift there. Another good solid shift. So shift's good. 3-speed turbo in it. So you got any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.